Good. All the way over that way. On your
Nice.
back. Okay. Definitely a PI ileum right here locked up. So we're going to take care of that. And misalignment right up. Feel that there?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And we're going to take care of it. Good. Take a deep breath and just hold that breath. Just hold it. Good. Transition. That can get a little sensitive in there when we do that, but that adjusted really nice. Line this side face me. And I'm just going to move it this side so you don't fall off. That's not good for adjustments. Right here. I'm going to take the sacrum and all the way over that way. On your
Nice.
back. Good. And right here. Good. Perfect. Just relax. Excellent. Good job. Power's on there. Let's go face down.